Hey everybody, we're going to be playing roll and record today. So, I've got my marker or my pen or whatever you're going to write with, and I've got my whiteboard or piece of paper, whatever you're going to write with, or write on. So, I've also got my handy dandy recording sheet that was in your math packet that you picked up either on Friday or Monday. And then I've got the roll and record game pulled up on my computer. All right, so if you don't have dice at home, just play it on the computer, okay? This is going to be the easiest way to access dice, unless you just have some laying around the house. So the first thing that we're going to do is roll the green and red dice, okay? But when you roll, we're going to also write an equation to solve how many dots total that we have, okay? Makes sense? So I'm going to roll the green. I got a 4, so I'm going to write 4. I'm going to roll the red. I got 1. 4 plus 1 equals, you may know that on the top of your head, you may not. So what I'm going to do, Miss Helvey loves to solve equations with a tens frame. So I'm going to draw a tens frame, and I'm going to solve it that way. So I'm going to first draw 4 dots. And then how many more do I have to add? 1 more. Well, that's 1 row filled in a tens frame. Hey, I know that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So then on my recording sheet, okay, got your recording sheet, you can either draw a circle or you can practice writing your numbers and write a 5 on there, okay? So I'm going to erase my 4, erase my 1, erase my 5, erase my dots. Okay, so I still have my tens frame I can use. I still have my plus sign and my equals because I know I have to write an equation. So I'm going to roll again. Ooh, I got 6. 6 plus 1. I don't want to use the tens frame anymore. I want to use my connecting cubes. So you can use connecting cubes down here. See that? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 more is how many? 7. Good. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Now, if you don't want to use those cubes on the screen, guess what you have at home that you can use? Your own connecting cubes, okay? So this is roll and record. Make sure after you solve this, what was the number? What was the total? 6 plus 1 equals 7. Write that number on your recording sheet, okay? So that's roll and record. Have fun. You can play with a sibling. You can play with yourself. Play with mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or your babysitter or your nanny. Whoever you want, play with them. And I want to see your filled out game board when you're all done. All right? Have fun.